Mighty Network tutorial for beginners. So basically how to use this software or tool technically. Now before anything, as a general explanation, this is a platform used to build online communities, membership sites, and courses all in one place. So if you want to go ahead and get started, you can open up your preferred browser and search for Mighty Networks and then just enter their website. If for some reason you already have an account, just log in. But if not, you're gonna have to create your account. So press on try Mighty for free over here or start your free trial. You're gonna have to put in some information like your first and last name and then your email. And then you're gonna be asked to verify the email that you used. And then once you've done that, you'll enter this point where you can put in your network details, so your network name, and then you can adjust your URL if you'd like, and then a theme for your community. And once that is done, you're gonna go ahead and press on next, and you'll be able to enter the topic. So the main topic of your community or business. In our case, we're just gonna go ahead with health and wellness. Like so, or personal development, and then just go ahead and press on next. We're gonna have a key features, so what you are excited about to explore on Mighty. So you can choose all that applies, so you can choose all of it if you like, or just a specific amount, but that again depends on you. And then finally, tell them about you so they can send you the right product and strategy suggestions. So choose your primary goal. Let's say you want to build a new community or course, and then your annual revenue range. So you can shoot for the moon and then just go ahead and press on finish. Once you have signed up though, you can start with your community. So basically, to follow the setup steps to name your community, you can add your branding, create basic structure for the members, and inside the dashboard you can create spaces, which will act like groups or sections for discussions, content, or courses. The spaces itself will help organize your community so members can easily interact, post updates, and access different topics or resources. And after setting that up, you can start adding content such as your posts, events, or even courses. In the courses section, you can build lessons using videos, text, or whichever kind of material or media you'd like to put in. And you can keep content hidden until it's ready to publish. You can also invite members using an invite link. You can charge for access through memberships or even one-time payments, and manage conversations through the community feed. And finally, once everything is configured, Mighty Network will let you run an engaged online community where members can learn, interact, and participate in events or discussions. But that is the general idea on how Mighty works. If you'd like to learn more, just enter the website, since they will show you most and all of their features, what they do, and how to use them. So hopefully the information of this video can help though, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.